how to send DM on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send DM on Facebook. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the Facebook application, and also make sure you have successfully signed in to your account. So the first thing what you want to do is, as you can see at the top right corner of my screen, there is an option called Messenger. So to send DM on Facebook, you must have installed your Messenger and linked to your account on your Messenger as well. So to do that, simply head over to your Messenger and just make sure you sign in to your Facebook account with the Messenger, in the Messenger. So once you do that, simply head back to your Facebook application and just click on this Messenger icon at the top, which will redirect you to this page again. That is your Messenger if you already have linked your account. So once you're inside here, you can simply chat with the person just like this and send a DM, let's say like hi, and just like that you have successfully sent your first DM on your Facebook by using your Facebook. So that's exactly how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.